Now that we've got the faces resized and lined up, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit more editing here to kind of clean this up just a little bit. As we can see here, there's two ways in which we can attack this. We can attack this by first, we'll hold on down Command D to deselect it, hit V to go into our pick tool. There's two ways that we can attack this. Now, we can either attack this by leaving Ginevra's facial line here, or we can actually try to impose Natalie's facial line over it. I think I'm going to go that way because Natalie has a defined face. We just remove our eyes, nose, and our mouth and put it up here. We're going to kind of miss this whole face shape that really defines who she is. And we want this to look more like Natalie than we do Ginevra. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep Ginevra's hair here. And we're going to keep most of her face. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to paint this photo out a little bit and paint Natalie's photo out too. So let's start with Natalie since I already got her selected. I'm going to go into my wand tool by clicking W. I'm going to click right here, and this is going to grab that blue there. And I'm just going to hit delete. Once that's been selected, I'm going to hit Command deselect. And another way to check this is take the eyeball and turn off the layer with Ginevra on it. And as we can see, that was a pretty, that was actually a really rough selection. So let's go over here and hit Command spacebar to zoom in here. And as we can see, we've got a lot of fine cut here. This isn't really a this isn't the greatest photo. I probably could have chose one just a little bit better, but never mind. We'll go ahead and hit our erase tool. And let's erase down. Actually, I'm going to make this a... I'm going to hold down Command and the square spacebar to make my brush a little bit harder here. And of course that didn't work. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold down Shift and make your brush a little bit harder. And we're just going to erase down here along her jawline. And actually we're going to stop here and we'll pick this up in the next part.